So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone, and I welcome you to the post market analysis of Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. And guys, please do watch the video till end to really understand as to what is happening in the market and what you can speculate in market for tomorrow. Apart from that, we also share two stocks for the intraday trading, so please do watch the video till end so you can get to know them also, and please do like the video till then. Okay, so let's start the discussion on the Nifty 50. And as now you can see, we have Nifty 50 daily chart on our screen, and today, as you can see, after giving a good substantial gap up opening, we have seen Nifty coming down. So the reason is very clear. You can see this is Nifty has came down. Its daily high made by Nifty today was 15,862, which is nearly 40 points below. Our all-time high of the Nifty 50. So yeah, this type of things happens. 40 points, 30 points, sometimes indices face resistance on this level also. So that thing has happened. Apart from that, if somebody wanted to go even long, as I have told you, that's the region where market can face resistance. But if somebody was thinking to go long, then think about it, guys. Market was just 40 points below its actual all-time high. If you were planning to go long at that time, that's really unfortunate, right? So there was not a single sign where you can go long in the market. So definitely we were waiting for the shorting opportunities, and on the hourly chart, based upon whatever we have marked, we found opportunities also. Here you can see, once market came below this level, this particular level 15,750, when this level is 15,754, we have seen market making low of 15,674. so it's an almost fall off. We can see 80 to 90 points, right? 80 to 90 points. After that, after our support was breached, we have seen a good amount of fall, right? Apart from that, looking at this level, if somebody wanted to short at this level also, you could have done shorting from that level itself, because we have talked about enough about it. You can see the yesterday's closing, market has given yesterday's closing was at 15,765, and today's opening was 15,862. So 100-point gap up opening near resistance level. So that was the exact point to short the market, correct? So if somebody who has played according to complete game plan which was made by us yesterday, you can imagine by that how much profit you must have booked. 100 points first here on this candle of this first hour candle, because market has given good gap up opening, so we know we have to short, and market has given gap up opening near the resistance, so that's another reason to short the market. So I hope you must have shorted the market on its candle itself. Once it has given the closing, you might have booked your profits, because I have told you that this is the reason where market is going to take support. Once market breached this level, you could have again short the market, and you could have easily booked good amount of profit. Two short trades were possible today according to our game plan. If you are listening properly to us, there are two short trades were possible in the Nifty 50. So I hope you have traded accordingly, and you must have booked good amount of profit, right? So the game plan for tomorrow is also similar. You can see everything will depend upon where market will give us an opening. Obviously there is a look like that market is trying to, on the daily time frame, if you look at, definitely market is trying to come back to this level. So if somebody has carry forward a short trade, I will not tell you that you did the wrong thing. Obviously you did the right thing looking at the market. But yeah, definitely this thing is possible. If not tomorrow, then upcoming days also we can see that market will try to go, and once more will try to test this level. So again, as you can see, market is between the range of two different level, this and this, and waiting to take a breakout, right? So on the hourly chart also, if somebody is not taking any positional trade, not shorting the market for the support level, which I believe is if somebody has taken that trade, that person has not done the wrong thing. Okay, apart from that, if we talk about just the intraday strategy, then you know our strategy is very simple. We know the levels, we know how to trade. If too much gap up opening near resistance, short the market right there. If too much gap down opening near the support, you can long the market there. And too much means, I'm not saying about that 20 points 30 points gap up, that's not too much. Too much is above 60 point, above 70 points opening. That's too much, right? That's too much. like today's opening was almost 100 points above the yesterday's closing. That's too much, and that too near the resistance zone, just below the 40 points of the resistance zone. So that's the perfect time to short the market. You can't find a perfect time than that to short the market, right? That was there today in the market. So we have this support, we have this resistance, we'll see the opening and we'll trade based upon this level. So intraday game plan is set for us till market give us a breakout from either this level or this level. Our game plan is set. And if you want to see that how market will give a breakout, how we will identify, no problem, market will definitely going to give us signal. Market will give us signal on the longer time frame. Here you can see a weekly chart is not yet complete, but this was a little bearish candle, and you can see till now the markets, all the closing of the market was below this, but still weekly candle, it has 2 more days before it gets completed. So let's see what happens. Prior to that also, when market was trading in this range, below this range, and when was facing resistance at this range, you can see market has given us good signal on the weekly time frame, and then market came up to give us a breakout. So similarly, now if market is now between this range, then market will again give us another signal before breaking out. But the thing is that this gap is not that big. On if you talk about the monthly and the weekly chart, this is the gap of 500 point at most, not a complete 500 point also. So I don't think that the market will take much time before breaking out, but definitely market will give us a signal, and we will try to capture that signal. Until unless, I would not recommend you to take any long-term trade, any positional trade, like I have told you, this week's candle is going to be really important. After that only we will be taking any trade on the monthly or weekly chart. Based upon the monthly or weekly chart, our daily game plan is completely set. If somebody is taking short trade at the resistance and taking long trade at the support right now, the support and the resistance market is stuck between. If you are taking that and you are doing that swing trading, great job. And if somebody is a scalper or pure intraday trader, our level is marked, and we are booking really good profit on a daily basis based upon those particular support and resistance. So I hope you are booking good amount of profit on that also. So for Nifty 50, everything is going great and fine. Now let's see what is happening on the Nifty Bank. So here is our Nifty Bank. You can see Nifty Bank is also, I think, try to get back to its support. And as I have told you, the Nifty Bank will follow the direction of the Nifty 50. I told you that Nifty Bank has not given a closing on a very important level as far as the Nifty Bank is concerned on the in isolation. But I have definitely told you that Nifty Bank will going to follow the direction of the RDR Nifty 50. So you can see this particular closing of yesterday, I have told you that this is the resistance level. Look at the first opening candle, made a high near this level, and then market goes on to fall below, right? So there was 2 indication as to you can take a why you can take a short trade in the Bank Nifty. Reason number 1, Nifty 50 was also going down. It has breached its support level. And apart from that, Bank Nifty, if you want to look at only Bank Nifty, then in the Bank Nifty also, Nifty Bank has created this particular phase resistance on this first 15-minute candle. So this was the right time. If you have shorted the market, you must have booked good amount of profit, because market goes on to fall 35,450 to 35,936. So good 500 falls after facing the resistance on this level. The 15 minutes resistance giving you a profit of 500 points, guys. What else you can expect from me? So I hope you are enjoying these trades and you are booking good amount of profit, right? And apart from that, if you want to see that as to what we can expect from the Bank Nifty for tomorrow, one thing you can see on the Bank Nifty, that this particular level, why Bank Nifty has stopped, because you can see this particular pattern has been made, and this pattern's neckline, this pattern's bottom line, which is a support line, you can see market today has almost taken support on that particular level itself, right? Market has taken support at particular level itself. So for tomorrow, we are set with the levels in the Bank Nifty as well. Breakout, if happens, it's okay, you can go short. If does not happen, you can go long. But remember one thing, this support that we have marked today on the Bank Nifty is not as strong as the support is there in the Nifty 50, right? So if you see that this particular Bank Nifty is giving us a breakdown from this level, but Nifty 50 is rising and chasing its resistance, then don't go short on the Nifty Bank either. Okay, then you have to go long on the Nifty Bank also. Then what do you have to place? You have to take a trade till this resistance, a long trade, and then again you can short from this level, and if market breaks up, then you can take again a long trade till this level. So remember this particular things. Don't forget that never ever trade on any indices in isolation. Nifty 50 is dominating. You have to look at the Nifty 50. Bank Nifty will definitely going to follow that direction, but the magnitude in the Nifty Bank is going to be much higher, and volatility is also going to be much higher, so you can have good profits in the Bank Nifty, right? So I hope we are very clear about the Nifty Bank and Nifty 50. And apart from that, the long time traders, the same thing for the Nifty Bank as well. Same thing for the weekly and monthly chart for the Nifty Bank as well. And here you can see Nifty Bank is trying to reach out this level. So if somebody is confused that why Nifty Bank has not reached till this level, just because Nifty Bank was late to go to that level, Nifty 50 has reversed, so Nifty Bank was forced again downwards, right? This might happen that Nifty 50 test its support level before Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty have to reverse from. That's why I'm telling you, you should look at the Nifty 50's direction and Nifty 50's level, that at what level Nifty 50 and at what level how Nifty 50 is reacting before taking trade in the Nifty Bank. If you are feeling that you can short the Nifty Bank, but you have a feeling, if you have a signal that Bank Nifty has breached a resistance, Nifty 50 has breached a resistance and going upward, and Nifty Bank has breached a support and going downward, don't take a short trade on the Bank Nifty. Take a long trade on the Nifty 50 and take a long trade on the Bank Nifty as well. So that's the game plan you have to follow, right? So I hope we are very clear with Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. So now moving to the stocks that we had picked yesterday. So first stock is Asian Paint. I think we had a good amount of profit, around 21 points we were able to book in the Asian Paint. Moving on the hourly chart to give you a clear indication for that. So as I have told you, you can short sell the RDR Asian Paint below 3004, and you can see for once we shorted on below 3004, so low for the day Asian Paint made was 29.83, so almost 21 points profit was there in the Asian Paint. So I hope you enjoyed, and apart from that, there was not volatility, as if market didn't went up too much after we have taken the trade. So it was a simple easy trade. So I hope you enjoyed this trade and booked good profit. And the second trade we taken was IndusInd Bank. Now in IndusInd Bank, some people might feel confused that as to what has happened and how to take the trade and what we can do, what should we have done. So you can see the IndusInd Bank has given us as an opening 7 points above, right? You can see the opening on the IndusInd Bank was 7 points above. You can see this particular first star candle of the IndusInd Bank. I have told you to go long on the IndusInd Bank about 1000, but it has given an opening about 7 points. So it's like almost an opening of 70% above, right? Talking from the our stop loss and our profit point of view, right? So our stop loss was of 10 points, as I have told you, of the 1% stop loss of 10 points. So and IndusInd Bank has given us an opening of 7 points up, so it's almost 70% up opening considered if we compare it to our stop loss. So then going long was not a good idea. Still, if you went long, you must have booked 7 points, but still stop loss was not triggered in the IndusInd Bank. So we are going to take the trade again in this IndusInd Bank tomorrow. So tomorrow you can long IndusInd Bank above 1002, but if you see such substantial gap up opening, then ignore the trade, correct? So we are clear, and the reason is similar to yesterday. This is a good support level. We have seen IndusInd Bank reacting goodly on this level. This is the only one time that was also a fake breakout we have seen. So yeah, that's why we are taking a long trade above 1002 levels, right? And the stop loss will be 1%, and target you can take accordingly. And the second stock we have picked for you for tomorrow is Titan. You can take a trade on the Titan, going to be momentum trade based upon our DR indecision candle as made. So short below 780, but long in this trade we are going to go long above 786, right? So momentum trade, this is based upon the indecision. So I hope you are very much clear about everything. So thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. Please do like this video, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.